Congratulations, Yash Parekh, for your Canada student visa.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yash, can you introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Yash Parekh and I completed my 12th commerce from the year of 2022. Then I appeared for IELTS exam and I got 6.5 overall bands, and I belong from Ahmedabad city.
Okay, so Yash, did you get yourself into your dream college?
Yes, after getting my IELTS result, one of my relatives recommended me Flywing Overseas. Then I approached them and I got to know about various options of colleges and courses, and also I have done a lot of research about them. So I found Durham College was the best among all, and also I found accounting business and also other business related studies is so exuberant in that college. So I'm very happy to join that college.
Okay, so Yash, how did Flywing Overseas and its team help you to achieve your goal?
Well, they helped me in such an amazing way. Like I was totally unaware of the all things. It is my first time that I'm going out of home to study for abroad. So, flying overseas helped me in every steps of this journey. Like I would like to specify the name of the employee, which is Nikita ma'am. They helped me in all the way. Like whenever I have any kind of query, they just immediately solve that.
Okay, so Yash, what was the tentative time of your getting visa?
I got my visa in just 14 days, even though many people are getting rejection in Canada visa nowadays. Still, I just got in 2 weeks of duration.
Okay, so Yash, how much contented you are with us? Like, can you give a general feedback about Flywing Overseas?
Sure. As I said earlier, I was totally unaware of studying in abroad. So Milap sir and Niyati ma'am helped me in each and every step of this process. And also, the most significant thing I would like to mention that they provided me a lot of general phenomenon and information about Canada, and they gave me two options for Durham College, which is Whitby campus and Oshawa campus. So at that time I was confused of choosing one. So Nikita ma'am told me that you should choose Oshawa campus as it is located in a posh area, and also I'll be great in my field if I choose that campus. So I'm very grateful to Flywing Overseas.
Okay, great, Yash. So many congratulations once again and all the best
Okay.
for your future journey.
Thank you, ma'am.